How to manifest money and what's stopping you from manifesting the millions you want. That's what we're going to be talking about today. And I invited Harrison, who's going to be asking me questions. I have no clue what he's going to ask me because we keep changing it all the time. So, Harrison, go for it. So, guys, first and foremost, listen, make notes, learn, repeat, get it done. If you need to book a session, but first and foremost, subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I release a new video because I recorded like 20 of them so far. There's going to be lots of videos coming out. You don't want to miss them. You can't afford to miss them because it's going to cost you millions. Okay, so there we go. Harrison, what do you have for me?
So for the first question, for people who want to manifest money or money in business, why do they know exactly what to do, but they still don't do it?
They still don't do it. That's easy. Lack of JR self-confidence. I don't trust myself. I'm not sure I'm that good. I don't have that self-confidence. I think I'm capable of it, but I don't project success. I don't project self-confidence. Lots of blocks could be fear of embarrassment, fear of rejection, but mainly fear of failure, fear of success. All of that could be all the fears altogether. Lots of you have all of that together. It's very funny that more prominent than fear of failure is fear of success, seems like, from my sessions. And you need to shift them so that you can start doing what you need to do. Also procrastination, but that's usually hooked to lack of self-esteem anyway, or guilt, all sorts of stuff, or huge traumas. That's why, very bright people don't succeed, and people who seemingly are not very bright or not that educated or not anything really can easily be billionaires because they just have I don't care attitude, either streetwise often, and they don't really care about anything except for making money. Also being too analytical, too thoughtful, too I need to know everything about everything and I'm gonna repeat it until I'm half dead. Yeah, that's also a reason why overthinking, why people just don't manifest or don't get their money. And it's such a shame because it's available, success is available to absolutely everyone on this planet. Doesn't matter your education, nothing matters how tall you are, if you're pretty, it doesn't matter. It's only about mindset and self-love, how much you love yourself, how much you respect yourself, how much you appreciate yourself. And if you do, you'll succeed. If you don't, well, you need to work on it. So I hope that answers that. By the way, people, actually, I just want to remind you, there's a link in the description of the video because we are doing a free webinar exactly on the subject. You have a money ceiling and you need to break it, and strategies won't help you. It's all in the head. And I'm going to be talking about how to get the head straight so that you can start making more money and break the ceiling, break the income ceiling. So everyone, free webinar right now. Get it done. Okay, what's next question, Harrison?
So I'm sure there's a lot of people watching that feel like they're capable of more, but they've been stuck at that same level for like a long time. What's the number one thing that they should change first?
I want to say book a session, duh. Like, of course, book a session. And it's really funny because we're running the second round of the Millionaire Accelerator, and people have results which I'm just stunned. Someone, he knows who he is, just made me speechless yesterday by the result he's got. It's unbelievable. So the stuff works, people. The stuff works. Every single person who entered that program got a result, and not a small one, actually huge one. So again, I'm not being me. I'm being controlled by my thoughts and by my mother and by everyone and everything. And I'm a whiny little thing. I'm not a winner. I'm scared and I don't know. And why am I not doing it? And why this is not happening? And blah 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 blah. Wine, wine, wine. BMW. Winners don't behave that way. Winners don't think that way. Winners drive Mercedes. And when you switch from being a victim into a winner, nothing will stop you. Nothing will stop you. And you will change what you need to change. You'll do it at the speed of light and you will succeed, period. It's the state you're in. You cannot win when you're a victim. As easy as that. You change that, you start trusting yourself, you grow some balls and 10x them, and the world is your oyster. That's it. Make sense?
Perfect sense.
Okay, guys, thank you for asking, Harrison. Don't forget there's link for the webinar. Subscribe and hit the bell icon, and we'll see you at the next video. Ciao for now.